How to use Walmart Scan and Go. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use Walmart Scan and Go if you want to skip the checkout line at Walmart. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Walmart application and make sure that you're signed in with an active Walmart Plus membership. So if you have a Walmart Plus membership, then only you will have access to Scan and Go feature. So once you're on your Walmart shop page here, if you head over to your services, scroll down a bit, there it says you can use Scan and Go to check out and save more time with Walmart Plus. So you must have Walmart Plus membership. If you have that, then all you have to do is head over to Scan and Go to launch the barcode scanner. So once you see the barcode scanner, all you have to do is scan each item's barcode before putting it in your cart. The application will keep a total running, and once you're all done, all you have to do is tap on checkout to pay in application. You will get a QR code, and then you have to head over to Scan and Go and scan the code and then grab your receipt. That's it. That's how you can use Walmart Scan and Go, which will save your time and will skip the line in Walmart. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.